To make a speech again here. I have already made a speech and we are running very late. We have very eminent academics and academic administrators on the panel as well as in the audience. The theme is how to improve equity along with enrollment, how higher education institutions can achieve this. Of course, as I mentioned earlier, enhancing the enrollment is the real challenge and quality has to be there. But along with quality, we have to ensure that we have a social commitment to look at large number of people. For example, in this country, the first generation learners are even now in our education institutions. And then there are people who cannot afford to pay for education. That's Government of India has large number of schemes and policies to look at how social equity can be integrated into education. So along with enrollment, we have to ensure that education is not deprived to anybody. If you just look at the development of this country, and for that matter any country, you can see that the development of a country is dependent on three factors: school education, literacy, school education, and collegiate and university education. And we are lagging behind, considering the Millennium Developmental Goals, we are lagging behind in all these areas. We are improving, but we are lagging behind because of the sheer size of the population. And therefore it is very important to provide education opportunities. Right to Education Act has come for the school education. Universalization of secondary education is the policy of the Government of India. And enhancing the gross enrollment ratio to the world average of 26%, maybe in 10 years, that is the expectation. How, in doing all these things, how we can ensure that people are not left behind for some reason or other, for economic reasons, social reasons. So providing education to all, that is the real challenge. And deprivation of education opportunity is the most serious crime one can ever imagine. And therefore, how can we address this particular issue of eliminating deprivation of education at all levels? And that is probably a broader definition of equity and enrollment. So they are all very eminent people who are administering an education system. We have with us Dr. D.N. Reddy, Vice Chancellor of one of the renowned technological universities in this country, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad. And then we have Professor Rajnish Arora. He is also heading a major network of engineering colleges, Punjab Technical University. And then we have Dr. Professor M.B. Jaiswal, Dean of Research and Fund Management, MDI, Gurgaon, and Dr. Sabjit Singh, Executive Director, APJ College of Engineering. And of course, there are very eminent people who have contributed and who are still working in this system in the audience. Let me start this deliberations. May I invite Dr. D.N. Reddy, Vice Chancellor of Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, to present his views.